queen. From the beautiful scenery of the extremely powerful Niagara Falls, let us now learn about the extremely powerful queen. Since the queen is extremely powerful, it has a piece value of 9, which is higher than all the other piece values of all the pieces in the game. Because of that, there is only one queen for white and black, and they are located on 2 squares of the board, like you can see here on the screen. Now, let us learn how the queen moves. If you were to take the rook's superpowers and combine them with the bishop's superpowers, you will get the queen's superpowers. So, the queen can go any squares in any direction. So, a queen can go up, down, left, and right. It can also go any number of squares in any way diagonally. So, it can go this way, this way, this way, and this way. That's a lot of different ways the queens can move. So now, let's practice that with some examples. Can this queen move over here? Yes, because a queen can go to the right. Can this queen go over here? Yes, because a queen can move up. Can this queen move over here? Yes, because a queen can move any number of squares diagonally. Can this queen move over here? Yes, because a queen can also go diagonally this way. But can this queen move over here? No. Even though the queen has the powers of the rook and the bishop, it does not have the powers of a knight. So, a queen cannot move in a shape of the L. Can this queen move over here? No, because it also does not have the ability to jump over pieces, which is an ability only the knights have. Now, let us learn how the queen captures. The queen captures the exact same way they move, which is a common theme amongst all pieces except the pawn. So, a queen can capture a piece as long as that piece is on a square that queen can go to. So now let's practice this with some examples. Can this queen capture this bishop? Yes, because that bishop is on a square that queen can go to. Can this queen capture this knight? Yes, because that knight is on a square that queen can go to. Can this queen capture this rook? Yes, because that rook is on a square that queen can go to. Can this queen capture this pawn? Yes, because that pawn is on a square that queen can go to. But can this queen capture this bishop? No, because of 2 reasons. A. That bishop is on a square that queen cannot go to in one move. And B. That bishop is on the exact same team as that queen. And you cannot capture your own pieces. And can this queen capture this king? No. But why is that? This is because a king is the only piece in the entire game of chess that cannot be captured. This is because of 2 very special things called check and checkmate. However, they are advanced concepts, so I will make a separate video on them later. In summary, we have learned that the queen is the most powerful piece in the entire game of chess. The queen has a piece value of 9. The queen can move any number of squares in any direction, including diagonally. The queen captures the exact same way they move, and that the queen cannot jump over other pieces. Now, let me reveal the answer to the last video's puzzle. In the last video, I asked you how many of these pieces this king could capture if it had unlimited moves. Now, let us solve it. Firstly, we can eliminate all the other kings on the board because the king is the only piece that you cannot capture. So you cannot capture this king, and this king. Next, you can eliminate all the pieces that are on the same team as that king. So, we can eliminate this knight, this queen, and this rook. Now, there are 3 pieces remaining. This queen over here, and these 2 knights. So, the answer is 3 pieces. Now it's time for today's puzzle. How many moves will it take for this queen to move here if it cannot capture any piece? Write your answers in the comments down below and I will reveal the answer in the next video. So that's it for today's episode of Chess Bits by Agnay, where learning chess is made fun. I'll see you in the next episode of Chess Bits by Agnay. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more chess bits.